Right now, somewhere near you, a McDonald's ice cream machine is broken. It's the most famous broken machine on Earth. There's a live map just to track it. And here's the part nobody tells you. It's broken on purpose. By the end of this, you'll know why the biggest restaurant chain on the planet can't keep a soft-serve machine running. And stay to the end, because the real reason isn't bad machines or lazy teenagers. It's a business model, and it's almost perfect. It's a global punchline. Sorry, the ice cream machine is broken. It got so bad that someone built a live map, McBroken, tracking every location in real time. And at any given moment, a serious chunk of them are down. You're not unlucky, it's real. The machine is the Taylor C602 in over 13,000 US restaurants. It doesn't just freeze ice cream. Every single night, it cooks itself. And that's exactly where the trouble begins. To understand it, don't look at the machine. Look at who makes money every time it breaks. Every night, the machine runs a heat treatment cycle to pasteurize the mix, heating it to about 151 degrees over roughly 4 hours. If anything disturbs that cycle, the whole machine locks itself and throws an error. But the error is a number. Just a number, with no explanation of what's wrong or how to fix it. The repair site iFixit accused Taylor of deliberately writing the codes to be useless, to push repair sales. You cannot fix what you're not allowed to understand. And here's the line that should make every franchise owner see red. Even though they bought the machine, even though they own it, they are not allowed to fix it themselves. Only a Taylor-authorized technician is allowed to open it up. They can take weeks to show up. And here's the number that explains everything. Repairs make up about a quarter of Taylor's entire business. Then 2 founders built a little device called Kytch. You plugged it in, and it finally read the machine's hidden signals and translated the cryptic codes into plain English. Owners loved it, about 500 sold. And then, in 2020, McDonald's told every franchisee to tear it out, citing safety. The one tool that let owners understand their own machine was killed almost overnight. So line it all up. A machine complex enough to fail constantly. Error codes written to confuse. A ban on fixing your own property. And a repair bill that earns the maker a quarter of its money. When breaking is that profitable, breaking isn't a malfunction. The broken ice cream machine isn't a failure of engineering. It's a business model wearing the costume of one. The complexity, the codes, the repair monopoly, together they turn a dessert machine into a toll booth that charges rent forever. You don't own it. You subscribe to it. Kytch sued. The FTC opened an investigation. And it took until 2024 for regulators to even grant the right to repair these things. That's the sleight of hand. It looks like incompetence. They can't even keep a machine running. It's the exact opposite. A machine engineered so that its breaking pays better than it's working. Now, to be fair, the machine really is doing something hard. That nightly heat treatment is a genuine food safety feature. It lets the machine run for days without being fully torn apart and sanitized, which is a real convenience. Complicated machines really do need trained techs, and Taylor flatly denies any sabotage. A judge found no proof Kytch's technology was stolen. Some of this is just a genuinely finicky machine. But finicky, plus unfixable by you, plus a quarter of the profits coming from repairs, is an awful lot of coincidences, all pointing the same way. So, the machine breaks so often partly by design, a cycle and codes built to confuse. You, the owner, are locked out of fixing your own equipment, and repairs are a quarter of the maker's income. The next time you hear sorry, the ice cream machine is broken, you'll know the truth. It might be working exactly as intended. Send this to whoever's been denied a McFlurry one too many times. They deserve the truth. And subscribe, because next, why do you love a wobbly bookshelf you built more than an expensive one you bought? Your brain has a bias, and it has a name.